A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your homes. So, in our last class, we were studying Learning Planet Computers, class 5. So, in our last class, we were in RAM and ROM. We just completed RAM and ROM. I hope you understood what is RAM and ROM. Now, next, the microprocessor or central processing unit, CPU. The microprocessor or the CPU is the main and the most important part of the computer. Here you can see it's a most important part of the computer. Without a microprocessor, a computer cannot work. It is also known as the brain of computer. It's a brain of computer. It controls all other parts of computer. This is the brain of computer. Hard disk drive, HDD. The hard disk drive, HDD, is normally found inside the system unit. It is the main storage unit of computer. It consists of many hard circular disks called platters are arranged one above the other. Data is stored on these platters. A hard disk drive can store a huge volume of data. Hard disk drive come in different storage capacities. For examples, 250 GB, 500 GB and 1 terabytes. Here you can see this is hard drive. Move to the next page here. Floppy disk drive. The floppy disk drive was a popular data storage device used in early days of computers. It is composed of magnetic disk covered by square plastic case. These portable storage devices were inserted into the floppy disk. Here, this is floppy disk. CD DVD drive. Today, most computers come equipped with a CD or DVD drive. These are usually located on the front of the system unit or on the side of laptop. Many CD DVD drives can also write record data. This is, you can see, CD DVD drive. Now here, cooling fan. The cooling fan keeps the electronic components cool from heating up by circulating air inside the system unit. This is cooling fan, which cools the system. When it gets little hot or it's get heating, then this cooling fan is used to cool down the system. Power supply. This is power supply. You can see power supply. Power supply unit. Power supply unit, PSU is used to supply the power to the components in the computer. Here are some important points are written which you all have to read and you have to learn also. So let's move to the exercise. Okay, I hope you all can do these exercises by yourself. This is very simple exercise. This is for your homework, and this one is also for your homework. I hope you all can do this exercise easily. But if you have any doubt, you can ask me. This one is also for homework. Now move to the question and answers. So what is system unit? Can you know? Can you tell me the answer? So system unit is a box like case that houses all the electronic components of the computer that are used to process data. It also protects all its components from dust and damage. This is the answer of what is system unit, which is written here. You can see up to here. Next question is and rest of the answer of these questions I will send you in a separate sheet. Okay, I will send you the answers of these questions in a separate sheet. So that's all for today's class, student. Complete the assignment which I have given it to you. Okay, and I will give you the answers of these questions and you should have to write them on your notebook. Understood? You have to write the answer question on your notebook and fill in the blanks also. Fill in the blanks and question and answers on your notebook. That's all for today's class, student. Take care. Good day.